Yeah, I'm coming, huh? I hope my hair is fine. It's very important.
Arina center. I'm at right. I'm down here. Next जाने वाले वहीं आके खड़े हो रहे हैं। फिर बीच में
Yeah, I'm coming, huh? I hope my hair is fine. It's very important.
Arina center. I'm at right. I'm down here. Arina, I'm here. I'm left. I'm left. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here right. Arina, on it down. Arina, I'm here. Here. I'm here left. Madam left side. Come. I'm here. I'm left here. थोड़ा सा right. Right में. Arina जी here. I'm here. I'm left side. I'm here. Madam. Ma'am center हो. मैडम थोड़ा आगे थोड़ा सा सेंटर मैम मैम यहाँ राइट में अरीना जी राइट में मैम यहाँ मैडम यहाँ अरीना जी अरीना जी अरुण पीछे मैम पीछे मैम यहाँ सेंटर पीछे तो सेल्फी के लिए मांगने वाले चलिए वाइट अरीना जी
What?
चलिए रोलिंग
I think मामी की खासियत ये है कि आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि इट्स हैपनिंग इन माई ओन सिटी. हमारी आई थिंक मुंबई सिटी की शान है इतनी बड़ी फेस्टिवल दैट हैज़ बिन पुट टुगेदर to celebrate cinema. I think that actually it's the first time पहली बार आ रही हूँ मामी के लिए. I think it's something that I needed to lend my support to just be a part of the fraternity, feel a part of the city, feel like a Mumbaikar. And also I think that it's about artists, it's about movies, it's about films. And I think it's just great and everyone's working so hard to put this together. So I'm so happy.
करीना, हमने कभी भी बॉलीवुड की अगर बात की जाए तो कभी भी हमने किसी आर्टिस्ट को जो टू बी मॉम है उसे इतना बिजी नहीं देखा है जितना आपको बिजी देखा. आप फोटोशूट कराती हैं, आप कहीं जाके कुछ इनॉग्रेट करती हैं, मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल में मतलब पार्टी में आती हैं. मतलब यू हैव सेट अ न्यू स्टैंडर्ड एंड न्यू रूल.
नहीं, I don't think so. I think that I don't know. I mean, it's the most normal thing. It's the most beautiful thing, and I think that जैसे you get married, you share your happiness with everyone, and pregnancy is also something that you must share with everybody. It's not that I should, if I'm having a baby or I'm pregnant, I should sit at home. It doesn't mean that. I'm a working woman, and I would continue to work all my life. मैंने हमेशा कहा है, तो ऐसे कोई example consciously set करने नहीं गई हूँ. बस ऐसे हो गया है कि I have always continued my work. I loved the film, obviously.
ऐश्वर्या की परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में क्या?
I think all actors, whether it's Ranbir or Anushka or Ash, I think everyone has done such a fantastic job in the film, and I think audience is going to love the film. Like, I mean, I think it's Karan's best.
करीना, वीरेन की वेडिंग आपकी नेक्स्ट फिल्म आ रही है, उसके बारे में अगर कुछ बताएं कि किस स्टेज में है और किस तरह का रोल है आपका?
नहीं, रोल तो ये this is one of the most glamorous moms.
How nice to see you guys having my darling.
But I keep stalking you. I should have come for the opening night, but me and Seb both.
I know, and I keep getting apologies. Princess K, I'm so sorry. He's too cute.
He's lovely, but he's like, you have to go. I said, yeah, I'm going.
Yeah. So happy.
I said, I'm going only to see Kiran's look.
Yeah.
Because Kiran is the most stylish wife. Really.
Middle of her interview, yeah.
थोड़ा सेंटर में आ जाइए ना. थोड़ा यहाँ पर मेरे को बहुत लेफ्ट. अरीना सेंटर यो. क्या बात?
So when now I missed It had Royal Opera. It was amazing.
It was fab.
I
Yeah, we
heard.
missed you. It was lovely. I mean, it was just such a
I
different
know.
setting.
I saw the pictures.
And Shankar sang like a dream at the end and all. It was lovely.
And then Konkana's movie.
Konkana's movie was the next day.
Really nice.
Lovely. And you're the highlight now. Mid-festival
Mid-
highlight.
I
is
know, but we should catch
Miss
some of the
Kareena
movies
Kapoor.
also, na?
Yeah, you have to catch some of the movies. Lovely movies.
Yeah.
Beautiful films.
So the
Programming is amazing. The festival is on till the 27th. 27th is our last day and our closing, for which it would be wonderful if you made a trek to Bandra, where you actually
Where
live.
is it in Bandra?
In Rang Mandir. It's round the corner from you.
If I come once more, they'll kill me. They'll be like, oh, like turning up for these events
No,
and all.
full power. We're so
National
grateful.
किरण आपसे जानना चाहिए करीना फर्स्ट टाइम मम्मी को ले जा रही है आप कुछ
Oh God!
Listen, I have told them I'm not
Tips,
doing
हाँ, tips
and
नहीं है.
all.
Tips ऐसे I want to look like
उनको क्या
Kiran.
देना tips?
हाँ? Please. And where is Amir?
He's in, हाँ, आपको कुछ और सोलो do some solo.
हाँ, तो आप
वो नीचे वाले I'm straight. Right. Thank you.
करीना आप
You look so cute.
No,
Unbearably
and now I'm wading through everywhere. I
You're
feel.
looking too cute. I saw some airport
Oh,
of yours. You were looking adorable.
They're
हो गया ना?
stalking me.
ले
हो
जाओ
गया ना?
और दो अच्छा और दो
करीना आपने बताया कि आपको फिल्म बहुत पसंद आई, परफॉर्मेंस पसंद आए, लेकिन जो कंट्रोवर्सी हुई है दिलो इमोशनल को लेकर उसके बारे में कुछ कहेंगे?
But I think Mami is the place where we're celebrating cinema. It's about, films, movies that we love, that we want to celebrate. I don't think it's a place to talk about controversies. And that's why Mami is a festival which, talks about, films and different artists, different films. So I don't think we should spoil the mood and talk about something that already has been resolved.
अच्छा, वीरा द वेडिंग के बारे में कुछ बताने वाले क्या?
We're very excited about the film. It's going to be India's first kind of typical chick flick, जिसे कहते हैं. And yeah, hopefully it'll be lots of fun and very exciting. And it's all about women power, and of course, good-looking people.
Karina, one last question, Karina. Because you do so many brand endorsements, I want your reaction on this. अगर किसी सेलेब को अगर ब्रांड एज अ ब्रांड एंडोर्सर निकाल देते हैं तो क्या उसका पॉपुलैरिटी या स्टार वैल्यू अफेक्ट होता है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट?
No, I don't think so. I think that, I mean, there's enough brands in the market. I think aajkal to means a lot of people are endorsing my brands. Tomorrow, even like, I mean, किसी कोई भी हो, if somebody calls up, I think everybody is endorsing 20 brands. ऐसे कोई ब्रांड नहीं है कि अगर आइसक्रीम है तो मार्केट में 10 आइसक्रीम है, तो ना एक आर्टिस्ट 10 आइसक्रीम थोड़ी कर सकता है. And let me tell you, every actor is endorsing every brand. You calling me for any brand, I'll endorse your brand. Don't forget.
This is Karina, sorry. She's one of our most celebrated actresses. Can I just get here? Yeah. जी जी हाँ जी प्लीज किरण हाँ जी हाँ स्टार Thank you. I think we need one picture of Carrie with.
Oh, I think it's a light.
Yeah, I think that's it. The Four Seasons owner, I think, also should be in a picture with you guys. Yeah, he's upstairs. Okay. And someone called others. Yeah. 2 seconds. Yeah.
Okay. Have you guys been waiting for me the whole time? I thought the party started earlier.
No, but the party is quite like
I
Rocky.
was upstairs. I came ages ago and I did some random interviews and shit like that. Kind of came down to cafeteria. Yeah, it's upstairs actually. The party.
Oh, I see. No, we're staying in Juhu.
Yeah, the Marriott.
Oh,
Nice to see you. Nice to meet you. I heard you a bit.
Right, please.
Lovely. Now we can enjoy the party.
All right, awesome.
Off the hook. Yeah, they wouldn't. They, Again, come here. You come in front. Let's get her friend. Come here. Anju, you're looking so nice. Thank you. Okay.
Adarsh Jatia, GM of
Kiran ji, right, man, right. Ma'am, straight here. Ma'am, you are right. Ma'am.
Hanji, Hanji. Come on. It's looking lovely on Adarsh upstairs. Fabulous. Done? Thank you. Solo to try.
Adarsh, sir. Your solo also. Kiran ji, yeah. Kiran ji, yeah.
Come on.